Pakistan vs Ireland T20 Series 2024 First T20 match. Schedule and best playing 11. Start date 10 May. Time 7 p.m. Pakistan Standard Time. Venue Castle Avenue Cricket Ground, Dublin. Pakistan team playing 11. Number 1 Saim Ayub. Number 2 Babar Azam. Number 3 Usman Khan. Number 4 Fakhar Zaman. Number 5 Azam Khan. Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed. Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Ahmed Wasim. Number 9 Shaheen Shah Afridi. Number 10 Haris Rauf. Number 11 Nasim Shah. Ireland team best playing 11. Number 1 Andrew Balbirnie. Number 2 Paul Sterling. Number 3 Lurkan Dagar. Number 4 Harry Tector. Number 5 George Dockrell. Number 6 Curtis Kemper. Number 7 Mark Adair. Number 8 Gareth Delaney. Number 9 Barry McCarthy. Number 10 Craig Young. Number 11 Benjamin White.